Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we are doing a easy ramen recipe that you can do in 10 minutes. So enough talking and let's cook this. The ingredients for this recipe are eggs, fresh noodles, soy sauce, MSG, mirin, ginger, scallion, miso stock, nori, bok choy, and marinated pork. Here we have 2 pieces of pork belly that I marinated. Remember the duck ramen episode we did? I marinated the same way. I will put a link here if you don't remember. So with the miso stock, we'll put the miso stock to a simmer and add those 2 pork belly in to cook them low and slow, and afterward we will grill them to add some char caramelized flavor in it. So in the bath you go. See you in an hour. For the tare, we need 2 cups of soy sauce, 2 cups, 2 tablespoons, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, the secret ingredient, MSG, so a pinch or 2 is gonna be a better, of flavor bomb, a drop of mirin, and a pinch of salt. Put this on medium-low heat until it bubbles just a little tiny bit. Into boiling water, put the eggs for 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, the tare is ready. Put this in a little container. Beautiful. Now it's time to work on the aromatic oil. So this is lard. You can also use vegetable oil. I had a brain fart. So put the lard on medium-low just to render it. We need some scallions, and don't cook this too hot because you will burn the scallions and it will have an unpleasant taste. Low and slow, baby. Now some garlic. Grate the garlic with the grater, because grating the garlic with your teeth is gonna be a little bit challenging. Okay, and the ginger. I like to grate the ginger with this thing because all the fiber are not going into my mixture. Put all this in your lard or oil. Don't forget, don't boil this, just lightly simmer it for 5 to 10. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, the eggs are ready. Put this in cold water. Look how the pork belly is very nice. It's time to put this for a char and save this. First we put the fat, so the fat will render and it will char on its own juices. Alright, so those were already cooked. All we needed to do is just to put some color on it. And I think it's time to plate this now. I will transfer the oil with the ginger, scallion, garlic for this one. It will add something more flavorful into the ramen. Don't discard this. 2 tablespoons of the Tare. And 1 big tablespoon of oil and the scallion. More oil. Oof. Remember, we boiled the pork belly in this. This was the miso store-bought stock. Let's give this a shot. Oh my, wow. Wow, just this alone, it's incredible with the flavor of the pork belly in it. Just perfect. Let's put 1 big scoop of, oh wow, that broth. Ooh. You know what? We forget the noodles. Okay, my bad. So let's just boil some water very quickly. That should be the first thing you do. Boil the water first. We need it. And let's work on the eggs. I'm gonna peel those eggs. And you don't need to see this. You know how to peel an egg. And I'm not an expert at it, so cut. Okay, now the water is boiling. Let's put the noodles in this. Those are fresh noodles. You can use dry or fresh. The fresh one cook very quickly. Woo! Those are ready already. Ready already. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We have some bok choys here. I'm just gonna blanch this real quick. Come back here. Some noodles. That is very unprofessional. Okay, let's make a nice presentation here. Here we go. Bok choy. Bok choy. The eggs, you can marinate the eggs or just leave them as is, like this. Nice runny yolk. Put this here. Here you go. Just like that. And put some greens in here. Like this. Ta-da! I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, please leave a like to the video. It makes a big difference for us. See you in the next one. Mm. 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 Mm.